Not sure which model to use for visualizing data? In this video, we'll show you some experiments and tests we've run to see how each model performs head-to-head. Here we'll do a visualization in a cohort analysis. Before we dive in, let me show you my custom instructions. Here, I have some basic formatting guidelines that I've added to format things like dates, millions, and negative and positive values. Looking to customize your charts further? Check out this video on chart themes to learn more. We're going to evaluate the performance on a scale between 1 and 5 on the following categories: amount of time needed to create the chart from start to finish, ability to follow the instructions to fulfill my prompt, and overall aesthetic on the chart. Next, let's overview the data. This is a simple data set that shows sales over time by customer. It has rows like customer, dates they've subscribed or canceled, and what product they're subscribed to. To be consistent, I'm going to load the data into a notebook and create a brand new run for each test using the same data. The first we'll do is a cohort analysis heat map to show retention over time. Let's see how OpenAI's GPT-03 does. Next, let's see how OpenAI's GPT-4.1 does. Next, we'll move over to Anthropic's Claude, first testing out Sonnet. And finally, let's take a look at how Opus does. That's it for this video. Do you agree with our results and ratings? Let us know in the comments below. Looking to get better results in your visualizations? Check out this video. We host recurring webinars where we cover best practices to get the most out of Julius. Be sure to follow us on socials and subscribe to our Luma to get a heads up about the next one. Looking forward to seeing you there.